All right, it is 9 a.m. today, Monday, December 6th. It is a freezing, frigid, cold day here in Minnesota. It's like 9 degrees out and the wind is howling, but the sun is shining and the markets have opened up mixed, but the Dow is soaring to the upside right now, up almost 500 points. So that's some good news. Particularly after a very tumultuous week last week in the markets. If you watch the market and are at all concerned with some of the activity lately, I highly recommend that you join us this Thursday evening, December 9th, for an end-of-year market outlook. We've arranged for Candace Say, the global head of strategic advisory solutions at Goldman Sachs, to join us. Candace is one of Goldman Sachs' brightest economic minds, and her expert opinions and market commentary will provide exceptional insight that you and I can discuss in relation to your specific financial situation. During her presentation, Candace will discuss Goldman Sachs' top 10 macro and market views and discuss themes including global growth and monetary policy. Just head on over to our website at www.investwithccg.com/events, and you can RSVP there and get the link to that call. So in this week's recap, the market coped with unpleasant news. There was a Powell surprise, the Omicron concerns, and then a less than stellar jobs report. So I'm going to go ahead and roll the intro, and then we will take a closer look. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. Stocks took investors on a wild ride last week as the Omicron variant and Fed comments upended market expectations. The Dow Jones Industrials Average fell 0.91%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 stumbled 1.22%. The NASDAQ Composite Index dropped 2.62% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, lost 0.62%. Like I said, it was a tumultuous week. Stock prices were volatile all week, swinging wildly after staging a modest recovery to begin the week. Omicron fears were not the only issue weighing on investors, however. Markets were also rattled by Fed Chair Powell's congressional testimony, stating conditions warranted considering an acceleration of its bond purchase taper schedule. Last week's roller coaster action was epitomized on Wednesday when stocks rallied intraday by 520 points on the Dow, only to close the session lower by 460 points. Stocks staged a powerful rebound on Thursday on news that a second Omicron infection exhibited mild symptoms. Also helping the rebound was news that an agreement was reached in the House of Representatives to temporarily fund the government, and word from President Biden that an economic lockdown was not in the plan to fight COVID this winter. Emblematic of the volatile week, stocks fell on Friday following a weak jobs report. So I said that Powell surprised the markets. So markets easily digested the Fed's early November announcement that it would pull the trigger on its bond purchase tapering program, but were caught off guard by Powell's comments during congressional testimony last Tuesday. Powell indicated that the Fed would discuss the option of accelerating its tapering plans at its next meeting. Powell cited the risk of higher inflation and substantial improvement in the labor market as warranting ending bond purchases a few months sooner than planned. Powell sought to move away from describing inflation as transitory, acknowledging that rising energy prices, higher rents, and strong wage gains could keep inflation elevated, though he maintained inflation would decline sometime in 2022. As always, later today, I will be sending out our full weekly economic update. If you're not getting this and you'd like it, you can go to our website and subscribe. In this update is also our financial tip of the week, companies reporting earnings, financial data that we're watching, plus a riddle for you as well. And remember, while you're at the website, be sure to go and RSVP for this Thursday's year-end market outlook with Candace Say. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning, fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.